Wanted to do a flip through of this journal that is for sale on my Etsy shop, and the link information is down below. So this is a single signature journal, fall themed, and you have this fun little ribbon wrap, and then this really pretty topper on here with a bumblebee charm. And then the inside pocket, there's some stationery envelope. And I did some stenciling here. Some vintage ledger paper. Cute little pocket here. I think the scrapbook paper is so pretty. A little belly band with some cut aparts. Some tea-dyed paper that I made, an Edith Holden page with a little pocket on the side, fun little tea-dyed paper doily, little cluster, cute little tag, be strong and courageous. And here's the other side of the signature. A little top loading pocket. And then here we have a side tuck with a cut apart, and then a top tuck with a little to-do list. The other side of the Edith Holden page. The tea-dyed paper. You have a tuck right here. Here's the other side of the paper bag, and this is an alcohol ink tag. And this is a little alcohol ink leaf, and then you have another little side tuck here with another tag. We've got ledger paper. And the final page, and then some fun little squirrel stationery on the back. So check out my Etsy listing if you are interested in this journal.